If Chrome apps are not installing on your computer, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few quick and easy fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. This is one of those issues that can happen because of a temporary Chrome glitch, a weak internet connection, old cache data, or an outdated browser version. So if you've been clicking install and nothing seems to happen, or the Chrome Web Store just isn't cooperating, stay with me and we'll fix it step by step. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into the first method. The first thing you should try is restarting Chrome and your PC. Close Chrome completely, not just the window, but fully exit the browser. Then restart your computer. This is a very simple step, but it can clear out temporary issues that may be blocking app installations. After your PC starts back up, open Chrome again and try installing the app one more time. Sometimes that alone is enough to fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next step, which is checking your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly and that you can load websites without any problems. Then open the Chrome Web Store and see if it loads correctly. If the store is slow, broken, or not loading at all, the problem may be with your connection rather than Chrome itself. A stable internet connection is important because Chrome needs to communicate with the web store before it can install apps or extensions. If your connection looks good and the problem still continues, the next best fix is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can cause installation errors and strange behavior in the browser. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Once that finishes, try the installation again. Clearing this data can remove corrupted files that might be interfering with the app installation process. If you're still having trouble, another important step is to update Chrome. An outdated browser can cause compatibility problems, and some apps or web store features may not work properly until Chrome is updated. To check for updates, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Hover over Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if one is available. If an update is found, let it finish, then relaunch Chrome when prompted. After that, try installing the app again. In many cases, updating Chrome solves the issue because it refreshes the browser and fixes bugs in the current version. So to quickly recap, if Chrome apps are not installed, start by restarting Chrome and your PC, then check your internet connection, clear your cache and cookies, and finally make sure Chrome is fully updated. One of these fixes will usually get things working again. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.